Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to get free shipping on Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So if you're looking for ways to get some free shipping, unfortunately Pandabuy doesn't allow free shippings like on other platforms where they offer free shipping since. So that's a little bit of tricky with Pandabuy, but however there are a few tips or workarounds that you can try in order to claim some free shippings. Like for example, if you become an affiliate program, or if you join the affiliate program, or if you're an influencer, then there are chances that you'll be able to get free shipping for your products. So that's a way of claiming a free shipping. And apart from that, you can also try using these Pandabuy coupons. Like if you search for Pandabuy free shipping coupons on Google, then you'll be able to see there will be a lot of sites where they offer coupons like in other platforms. So you can try use that and see if you can claim any coupons, any free shippings through those coupons. So apart from this, there are no any other direct ways to get free shipping on Pandabuy. So that's pretty much it is. I hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.